Well, good morning, Philippines. It is Saturday morning at about 4:15 in the a.m., July 6th, 2024. I missed yesterday. This is William from Williams, Philippines. I missed yesterday. Had a friend from East Texas come through. A dear friend. Known him for, 22, 23 years. So, when he said he's coming through on his vacation, wanted to stop by and visit, well, we went and had dinner, and, well, I don't know about you, but friends of that long, I ain't got a lot of them left. When you start having friends that are up in the, well, I'm 61. A lot of my friends are my age or older. Actually, quite a lot of my friends are my age or older. And they're dropping fast. I've had 2 of them drop this year already. So, yeah. When my friend came through and said, let's have dinner, no problem. So what if it was, though, yeah, the middle of my sleep time. So what I normally do is try to go to bed by, 1 ballpark. Yeah. That didn't work out. I got to bed sometime around 2:30, almost 3. And then was getting up at 5 to be there by 6 to go and spend a couple hours talking. And by the time I got down there and got back home, there'd burned 4 hours. And so I ended up getting about 4 hours of sleep with 2 on this end, 2 on that end. Time well spent. I don't get to spend much time actually face to face with a lot of my friends. They're all strung out all over the country. So, yeah. And, yeah, he gave me a number to get in touch with the wife of one of my friends. Hopefully I'll be able to get in touch with her and see how she's doing, because he was one of the ones that passed. And my friend's phone number is dead. And so this one's hers. We both know her. And yeah, I kind of miss my friends passing on me. There's, yeah, just not enough of them that are, youngsters, I guess. That's probably be a good thing, is to try to make more friends that are young. And, when I say, there's maybe people I've known more than 20 years, I can count them on my hand. So, yeah, a lot of them are disappearing fast. And, yeah. Sadly, none of us get out of this alive, and that's one of the main reasons I'm going to go retire. None of us are guaranteed tomorrow, so why are we sitting around here waiting to live? The only reason I'm still here in Texas is financings. So as soon as I can afford to, or right thereafter, I'm boot scooting my backside over to the Philippines and gonna go and enjoy being a middle-class Filipino and live. I'm not trying to be fancy or nothing, but I do want to go and enjoy life. Because like I say, there's no guarantees of tomorrow. So, live today. It's called the present for a reason. It's the present you get right now. So, live life like there is no tomorrow, because, hey, there might not be. Enjoy life. Live it. But yeah, my friend came through. Hey, Mike. And hopefully, he said he needs to try to get his passport, and when I get over there and such, he said he might have to, him and his wife, come over and visit. I told him you certainly need to. Come and enjoy life on a tropical island. He might not go back. We'll see. But yeah, got to talk with him, and I enjoyed it. Well, I even flirted with the waitress. Yeah. Told her, she sat down there, and I says, you just need to come on to the Philippines with me. And we were taking our orders and was talking about steak. And yeah, she likes a burnt steak. Couldn't deal with that. Told her she's going to have to stay here. Couldn't come with me if she's going to be burning meat. She wants a medium well, or medium well. Pretty much that's burnt meat to me. Medium well, that's burnt. I like mine pretty much bloody raw. Pretty much, knock the hooves off, knock the horns off, throw a match on it to burn the hide back, and call it dinner. Good vet could go by and my steak might get up and go moo. Yeah, I'm just that way. I pretty much like my steak bloody raw. And that's just me. But yeah, cute little thing though. I think she's probably about 25 or so. But yes, had some fun with that and got to talking with my friends, so it was an enjoyable night. My only big problem with is I'm tired. Let me tell you, you want to mess up a sleep, take 4 hours out of the middle of it. But that's okay. Like I said, I got to spend time with a friend and his wife. And I guess she's becoming a friend. I've known her now, 6 or 8 years. I think it's closer to 8. At least 6. So yeah. Had fun. I enjoyed life today. But I am definitely tired. And that kind of took the wind out of trying to get my little daily vlog out yesterday, because it ended up having a bunch of time going to excuse me, I got hiccups. Might have ate too much. But yeah, dang good steak. Texas Roadhouse. We definitely enjoyed it. I hope my friend gets to come back and see me before I leave again. But if I get out of here before he gets here, well, that means I was able to go faster than what I thought, which would be good. So, yay. But yes, I will definitely keep in touch with my friends over here. Gave him my new phone number on top of it. So, well, it's one I've had for a while, but it's new to me. My phone number I have had for a long time. I've had for 21 years. Yeah, 21 years. So this one that I've only had for 4 years. Yeah, it's the new phone number. And he finally is getting it. Yeah. I gave it to him so that way I can, he can call me when I get to the Philippines. Yes, I will have a phone number that will ring over there and make it to where he can call and talk on an American line. At least that's the hope for it. I don't know. The phone that that number is going to be on is going to be a dual SIM, so I will have two lines, one hopefully for the Philippines and one for America. I will have another phone that is dual SIM and doing it the same way. Hopefully having a phone number from here and a phone number from over there in the Philippines. Not sure I like this idea, but four phone numbers on two phones. We're gonna see how it works. If not, my American lines will stay locked in a box most of the time. I'll make a few phone calls when I need to. But it is what it is. If I have to, I'll get a couple of cheap phones over there and try to have a cheap phone for the Philippines that I can tote around with me while I'm going around doing things outside. That way if somebody does snatch it, it's just a cheap phone for the Philippines. Doesn't really have my important stuff on it. You know what I mean? Bring the one that's actually got value for the fact of the stuff that's on it out when I need to use it. You know, on the rare occasion I need to do some banking. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, oh yeah, I got my get up and go, got up, went, left me, and yeah, I'm kind of on the winded side from it. I need more sleep than 4 hours split into two pieces of 2 hours each. But I did have a good meal, and I usually eat fairly decent. I can cook, and I do a bit of it. My cooking doesn't kill me, so yeah, but nothing I would want to produce a video over crunch. So yeah, me cooking on here isn't most likely going to happen. I don't know, I might do it when I get to the Philippines, but I got no real desire to be trying to cook on a show. I just don't. I am very plain Jane and simple. Don't get me wrong, I can cook some real good food, but in most cases my food is very basic. You know, I do on occasion carry out and turn on the grill and cook something on the grill. I've got my little air fryer and I use it on a regular basis. I'm not bashful about it. I eat good, but it's nothing fancy, just plain simple. It is what it is. Anyway, it was good to go out and get a steak cooked by somebody else or food cooked by other people. Really don't like having to eat my own food. It's good food, but I like it better when other people cook it. It's why the girls have such an advantage over me here and can, wave food under my nose. And yes, I eat their food, even though I'm trying to be on a diet, and they wave, every fattening kind of food they can under my nose. I think they're trying to sabotage me. I love them anyway. Good friends. But yes, I sometimes wonder if they ain't doing it intentional. It is what it is. Anyway, it's been a long day, and I'm a few minutes from having to get up, about 20 minutes from having to get up and actually start doing the 3-ring circus for breakfast. And we got close to selling out, so I'll be happy with that. Boss will be too. It would have been better if we'd have sold out, but hey, it is what it is. Close is close enough. But yes, I am definitely ready to go home and go to sleep. Yes, us old men need our sleep. And this is what it's going to take me a little while to get used to the idea of being awake during the day. Yeah, I'm wondering how that's going to work out, because my body is okay. My body, I sleep usually about the time that the Philippines sleeps. And I'm awake when the Philippines is awake. But I go to bed when the sun comes up here. So when this thing starts getting brightened up outside, my inner vampire is saying, go to bed, go find darkness. And then when it starts going down and it starts getting dark, I'm up and going. Yeah. So, how is the transition from here to there going to work out on sleep schedule, day-night schedule, circadian rhythm, and all that fun stuff? Took me 20 years to get to where I could, used to sleeping during the day. Now I'm trying to mess it up and be awake. And yeah, I'm going to go to the Philippines and be 180 out from what I am here, but more in sync with being over there during the day. But this is going to be a fun one to figure out. Hopefully I can slip into the rhythm of being awake when I'm supposed to be during the day, and it won't take too long to snap the I want to be awake during the night. We'll see. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines, and I hope y'all have had a wonderful and blessed day. I hope your Saturdays and Fridays and such are going, well, your Saturdays now heading into Sunday partly. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Yeah. Anyway, I'm a bit on the tired side, so I'm Fish. Hey, Fish is out.